Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to delete a bot in Character.ai. So stick around to the end of this video to get all the steps in doing this. So currently we're on our Character.ai dashboard, and at the bottom left corner we have the option to view our profile. There is the arrow down, which is a drop down menu. We're going to click on it and we're going to click on public profile. Now in our public profile we can see a bot we've created already under characters. Now we're going to click on the three dots there and click on edit. Now Character.ai doesn't have the option to delete a bot when you've created one. However, you could go down to the bottom and change the visibility. When you want to change the visibility, all you need to do is to click on here where you have it as public. So you have three options. When you created this bot, obviously it was in public. So now you can change it to private, which is going to be available only to you. Or you can change it to unlisted, which is basically going to be available to others to chat with via a link. So this will remain private to you unless you want it to be public, but in a more controlled fashion. So you can go ahead and select it as private only to you and click on Save Changes. Now this automatically means that your bot is no longer available to the public. Basically, this bot is deleted to the public, but only available to you. Of course, if you want to create another bot, all you need to do is to go over to create and select a character or a voice to make a new bot. So this is how to delete a bot in Character.ai.